Good day mga ka-district, Jan here again from Jandam District. And for today's video guys, quick tutorial lang tayo kung paano mag-renew ng NBI clearance. So of course, ang kailangan natin gawin is pumunta sa NBI clearance website at i-click natin tong click here. After that guys, i-enter lang natin lahat ng required information dito and then i-click lang natin yung verify. And of course guys, to verify, select lang tayo ng options to verify or option to verify yung ating identity. And then once na-connect nyo yung verify, maglalabas yan ng inyong personal or family and educational background. Ngayon, kailangan nyo i-confirm lang kung tama yun or hindi. Of course guys, after nun, mapupunta kayo sa page wherein i-offer ang door-to-door delivery sa inyo. Pero kung ayaw nyo po, may option po doon na pumili ng ibang way. So, by the way guys, pwede nyo i-door-to-door delivery or pick-up to. And based sa nakalagay dito, mukhang sa NBI Clearance Manila lang pwedeng yung mga pick-up. Guys, saselect natin dyan is yung door-to-door. Then, pupunta tayo sa terms and conditions nila. Just click agree. And then after that, pupunta kayo sa thank you page na may contact number dyan if need nyo ng help. And then, after that guys, pwede nyo lang i-fill up yung form ng delivery or delivery form. So guys, ayan, meron mga phone numbers dyan na pwede nyo tawagan. Both are smart numbers. So, click nyo lang yung proceed. And then guys, yung delivery number, please take note of that. And make sure to fill up all the required information there, especially yung sa may parang pin ng map ninyo. Yung pinaka-location ninyo. So, after yan guys, click nyo lang yung proceed and then mapupunta na kayo sa your transaction or transaction payment page wherein kailangan nyo na magbayad para sa inyong NBI clearance. And as what you can see there, nasa 500 plus yung delivery. And depende guys sa gagamitin yung mode of payment, yung iba dyan merong additional payment. So, enter nyo lang yung mga required na information. Kaso actually, nag-try ako dyan mag-Gcash and then yung ibang services for some reason hindi siya working. Pero nung gumamit ako ng bank card, gumana naman na siya. So, try nyo lang guys hanggang sa gumana siya. And yun lang, ganun lang kadali guys kung paano ngayon kumuha ng NBI clearance ng door-to-door. So, that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong po ito sa inyo. If you have any questions, suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!